Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good as always. So ये वीडियो में जरा हम बात करने वाले हैं on the biggest news which happened this week. Obviously you know about it, and we just gonna give our opinion on few of the points. How is this gonna affect the creator on that platform? How is it gonna affect the creators on this platform? And many other things. Okay, so the biggest news as of now is Indian government banning 60 of the apps, Chinese app to be very specific, with a notice saying that they were kind of a security threat. So the biggest thing from that, which people are the most happy for, is TikTok, obviously, for getting banned. जो whole scene पहले create हुआ था YouTuber से TikTok का, तभी लोग people were like, you know, just ban it. We want it to be banned. And now जब ये ban हो गया, people are like, woo, it's like a victory for us. But I request you all to see the bigger picture over here. It is not about YouTube versus TikTok. People have to go past that.
Exactly.
And if the government is saying that it is not safe for our country, then I think it is the perfect decision to ban these apps.
I feel like this probably would be just the beginning, because these could be like the most frequently used apps. There might be a lot more.
Can be, but here's the thing. China is not new to banning apps. Well, in China, many things are banned. I don't think they have YouTube.
Yeah, they don't have YouTube. They don't have Google. They
Exactly.
don't have.
They don't have WhatsApp.
Yeah, they don't have WhatsApp.
So I am sure that
of course it will affect them,
it will
because
affect.
Considering that India is like such a huge population.
Yeah, I just read it that a TikTok was downloaded around 600 million times in India. So that is like a huge market, and getting your product just thrown out of from that market will obviously affect any company. But yeah, if it is for the safety of the country, I do feel it was the perfect decision to be taken.
Of course, yeah.
The main thing over here are the creators who are on TikTok. It is gonna be hard for them little bit. I understand, because there are people who are only doing TikTok, and एक दिन, you know, you just woke up and you find out कि TikTok ban हो गया है. What I mean is कि it is gonna be tough for them. Obviously, if you're doing one thing and it just gets banned out of the blue, hard होगा. But then it's not like you are limited to that platform. आपके पास YouTube है, आपके पास Instagram है. अभी Facebook is partnering up with Mixer, so you can you know just grow on that as well. If you can make good videos, I think you can do well in any platform.
In fact, a lot of people are more active now on Instagram as compared to any other social media, because I think it's kind of a platform to showcase your videos as well as kind of like a social media thing.
Obviously, TikTokers are going to be moving on to YouTube.
Of course.
Many of them already have, and they are doing good. आते ही they have, you know, like 100k, 200k, 300k subscribers, क्योंकि वहाँ का जो audience है, obviously common audience तो होगा ही, so obviously they are subscribing to them. It's fine. Many of them are doing good, but then people who are it is going to be tough for people who only do the the lip sync videos. And the main factor for it's not like it is very easy to do lip sync. उसके लिए भी effort लगता है, but the biggest difference on YouTube is copyright.
Yeah.
और if you know, अगर आप इतना time लगा के, जितना भी time लगता है वो लगा कि अगर आप videos डालने वाले हैं, if you don't make any money out of it, I doubt if people will continue doing it.
I'm not sure about what is the scene on Instagram. Like, I don't think Instagram has that
no, they don't.
Policy. So it will be easier for them to, plus also, you know, the vertical format and all that would be like, you know, they might move to like IGTV. But I still feel like, you know, a lot of people on TikTok are these like young adults who are very bright and who can quickly think of alternatives to, like, you know, move to different platforms.
Okay, let's talk about why I feel TikTok should have been banned before. Safety reasons is obviously number one, that it should be banned. But अगर वो भी नहीं रहता, so I feel that it should be banned. Just because the type of content that it was on. Many people say कि cringe content बहुत था. Frankly speaking, I don't really care about cringe content, because I have that ability to not get addicted to watching cringe content.
And if you don't like it, just simply don't watch it. Like, you don't have to like watch it and keep hating on that person.
But here's the thing, why I want it. Because बहुत सारे ऐसे videos टिकटॉक पे थे जो वहाँ पे नहीं रहने चाहिए थे. There was a video of a guy with a dead cat,
Oh God.
and then there was a guy who threw a dog
Yeah.
in the river from the beach.
Yeah.
So this kind of content should not be promoted on any platform and like anywhere. Or agar TikTok is not able to screen or to manage such thing, then it is not good for any country, I would say.
Yeah.
It was my opinion as well that it shouldn't be banned because many people are
the livelihoods depend on
this
it.
was my opinion जब भी यूट्यूब versus TikTok का हुआ था. You can see that video as well. But now when it comes to security of the country,
of the whole country,
then was there कोई भी और रीजन उसके सामने बहुत छोटा है. Security of the country always comes first. And you can also think of it as your part towards your country. You can think of it that way, which is like a beautiful way to think. So many of the apps got banned along with TikTok. TikTok is not the only one. So some of the big names which obviously had Share It, UC Browser, Sheen, Hello App, Like App, WeChat.
Honestly, out of this entire list, I have probably only used Sheen. And
shopping.
that too like very recently.
So here's the thing, मैंने in 60 apps में से I have used only Cam Scanner. मैं work के लिए use करता था, but that also I stopped using like 5-6 months back. I just installed TikTok for one day when we made the one video we made on TikTok. That was the only day I had TikTok on my phone. And other than that, I have never used a single app from this list. Now let's come to the point how it will affect YouTubers.
So a lot of these apps are providing brand deals to YouTubers and other content creators, and that like banning these apps in India would directly mean that there is going to be no more incoming brand deals or advertising, sponsored videos, whatever.
That being said, I feel it's fine. You know, we are also creators. We feel we wouldn't really mind just skipping some of these brand deals in return for security of the country. I think income थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. Income कम हो जाएगा. But then I think most of the Indian YouTubers would be fine letting these apps go for safety of the country.
But I feel banning these apps kind of is also creating an opportunity for Indians to develop similar apps or replacements or like whatever.
Matter of fact, I've already seen an article which said that people are already working on alternatives of these apps. So I think it's like a very brilliant idea. We obviously know like app like TikTok has a huge market in India. So if we make an app which is similar to that in India and it just it blows up like TikTok has done it, so it's amazing.
And people will definitely use it. Like, for example, Ludo, like, it's made in India. And like people are using it like all over the world.
Is it made in India?
It has it on their screen that it's made in India.
Oh, is it? I didn't know. मैं खेलता नहीं हूँ, so I didn't know. But it's good to know that.
Actually, it's recently come up on the homepage. Where it clearly mentions.
So it's like a little bit of थोड़ा मन में थोड़ा डर है उसके वजह से. But yeah, it's like a great opportunity as Akshata said. And I think for Indian developers, a huge market is open right now.
Yes.
And the biggest thing over here is PUBG. Why was PUBG not banned?
PUBG is Chinese.
So here's the thing. The company that developed PUBG is from Korea. So it's not Chinese. But the mobile version of PUBG, that is with association with a company from China.
Okay, got it.
So it might affect the mobile version of it in the near future. Not really sure about it.
We'll have to wait and watch.
Yeah. So if PUBG ever gets banned, I feel like it will be a much it will affect a lot of people compared to TikTok ban, for the reasons being one that it is like one of the biggest games, mobile games right now, and a lot of people stream on it. So there are regular streamers, like every day they are streaming PUBG and they're making their earning of it. But as I said, even that is affecting the security of a country in any way, then I think banning is like the right decision to go do.
There'll be like plenty of other games that
to play, right.
people can stream.
Right. Yeah, so these are our views. What do you think about all this situation, do let us know in the comments. Are you for it or are you against it? I'm sure because it's for the security of the country, most of the people are going to support it without a doubt.
Yeah.
So I don't think that is going to be an issue over here. So it's been great talking to you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let us know what you feel, and we'll see you guys in the
next one.